Which sustainability issues are most important for you?
For me, I find over-consumerism.
Ozelenitev mestnih središč,
The crisis in biodiversity.
zagotavljanje stanovanj za vse, ki jih potrebujejo.
Industrijska reja živali.
Reorganizacijo upravljanja z vodami.
What does green transition mean to you?
For me, green transition is trying to get all the dark out and trying to bring more green and bring more renewables into our lives.
Najti politično rešitev, ki bo na najbolj pravičen, možen način zagotovila preživetje človeške vrste na tem planetu.
It's like it lacks something about justice. So just transition, I feel like it's a better phrase.
Začnemo živeti bolj v sožitju z naravo in s tem v bistvu vplivamo tudi na druge socialne probleme.
Pač pravičnost, enakopravnost, enake pravice, enake priložnosti, možnosti za vse.
In ohranjanje, kolikor se da, biosistema v njegovi trenutni obliki.
What can we change in how we do things so that everyone can live well and the earth stays healthy too?
That's a very big question. I would just say that we need to collaborate.
In več izobraževanja, da vemo, kje je naš ogljični odtis največji in ki ga v bistvu lahko zmanjšamo.
It's important to create an awareness.
Have to collaborate with all of the stakeholders.
Zmanjšanje potrošnje.
To get organized and maybe to start some movements. So we need more power to achieve our goals.
Potrebujemo korenite politične in gospodarske spremembe. Kolikor hočemo narediti pravičen, vzdržen, trajnosten zeleni prehod.
Prehod na rastlinsko prehrano.
Why are you attending this summer school?
I just wanted to learn more about this topic. I study global change ecology, so I don't know much about the social science field, but it's something I would be interested to get into in the future. So I just thought this would be a really good opportunity to learn more.
Da si razširim okvirje, da vidim, kaj se že po svetu dogaja, s čim se znanstveniki že v bistvu ukvarjajo in da mogoče kaj lahko implementiram tudi v svoje življenje.
Because I'm finishing my master's and I wanted to get more information and more inputs from my master's thesis, and I thought this would be a very great experience also to be with all our colleagues.
To, ker se mi zdi, da so vprašanja politične ekologije pač glavno vprašanje našega časa. Mislim, da zaradi tega, brez tega ne bo prihodnosti.
I'm from Germany and I'm studying a master in social work, so it's a social field, and I really want to deepen my knowledge to